I wanted to make a rose charm that softened up my bags, which are structured black leather. So I chose this buttery satin and cut a strip out of it. The dimensions are 3 times 40 inches. I then took a corner of the strip and folded it over so it was just touching the opposite side, and I sewed across with a base stitch. And then I lifted the needle and pulled the fabric so that both sides were laying on top of each other. And then I sewed down all the way till the end of the fabric, also using a base stitch. And then I gathered the fabric just a little bit so it curled in, and then started assembling the actual rose. To do this, you essentially just wrap the fabric around itself until you get your desired shape. And in the process, you want to stitch through the entire rose at the base so that it keeps its shape as you go along. I then measured the back of the rose to create a patch, and I cut 2 pieces of this in the normal fabric and 1 fused. And I did the same thing for this little strap. I then sewed everything. I left an inch for each just so that I can flip it inside out, and then when I did flip it inside out, I did a top stitch to close it off. I then sewed the strap to the circle patch and then flipped it over and hand sewed it so it makes a loop, and then sewed it to the back of the rose using a blanket stitch all the way around, and then just attached it to this metal hook and put it on my bag.